children crying and women screaming, all huddled together, clinging on for dear life, right, amidst the dirty surroundings that they had, just listening to the booming sounds of the explosions outside. So it must have been incredibly scary for them to be confined in this very, very small space. And if you think about the aerial bombings and the devastation that took place in Singapore, these photographs here actually showcase for you that Singapore was really just concrete rubble by the time we surrendered to the Japanese. And it is really, really sad to realize that the preparation for war in this aspect, especially where air raids was concerned, was really lacking. There was insufficient preparation. Many of the civilians, they had to make their own bomb shelters, and that would be made out of like sandbags. And those who didn't have any bomb shelters, they would just hide under the table, under the dining table, or you know, in the home, just to try and hopefully be lucky enough to miss the bombs that hit. So the air raid shelters that were created mainly for the military and their families.